Why does my AC not blow cold? Welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. So first of all, your AC might not be blowing cold because it doesn't have enough refrigerant in it. So that's a refrigerant leak, and basically we're not creating enough ice. You could have an electrical problem that's not turning on your air conditioning compressor. And then thirdly, we could have a scenario where the air conditioning is actually working great, but the temperature controls are not controlling your hot and cold. And you have a number of doors inside of your cabin that direct airflow, and some of them directed over the heater, some directed over the air conditioning evaporator. And so we could have a problem with one of the doors, we could have an electrical problem, or we could have a refrigerant problem. Hope this has been informational to you, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.